Back with some more alpha, guys. What's going on? Good evening. What's up? What's up, guys? What's up, fam? Good to see you guys. All right, so figured we'd pop in for a quick live stream before I head to the gym. Just got home from the office. Let's see what's going on, guys. Let's see what's going on. So JASMY holding support right now, right on the bottom trend line of this bullish pattern we got going on. This sideways channel, if you will. We had the death cross. We talked about it this morning, guys, right here. Now, if you're sitting there thinking right now, death cross, Rob, what the hell? Isn't that bad? Well, listen, death cross is generally a lagging indicator based on the fall we already had, not one that's coming, right? So we had that. So now we're still ping-ponging inside of here, guys. I have a little bit of a concern. To be honest, we have a double top going on here. So we'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. RSI, just a hair into the neutral zone still at 40.34. It's cooling off nicely. So my target to the upside, guys, as you know, right here, my golden pocket, right up here. And if we break to the downside, it's probably somewhere around either hit support at 1 cent 75 or 1 cent 5, one of the two. It's probably where it's going to end up if we go to the downside. Now, personally, guys, I think we're going to see a bit of a red September. I'm sorry to say it. I'm sorry to say it. Let's get into the chat, see what's going on. Make sure you smash the likes and subscribe to the channel, guys. Helps the channel grow. Means a lot. Definitely means a lot. It costs you nothing, and it's greatly appreciated, so definitely do that. Dumb Money, what's up, fam? Good to see you. Rob Alpha Dog, what's going on, man? Liquidity, what's up, man? Good to see you. Chris, what's up, Rob? Price can't drop forever, so better taking advantage, guys. Yes, exactly. What goes down must go up. WF Capital in the house. Got 4 mil Swift, 1 mil JASMY, 2 mil VRA, 6 ETH tokens. Nice bags, my friend. Nice bags. Liquidity, I feel like we'll get to 55K, but did some DCAing just in case. Yeah, me too, man. Me too, brother. Bruno, what's up, man? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, so we got a little bit of news to get into, so let's get into that, and then I'm heading for a chest workout, guys. No pecs, no sex. You know what it is, right? Healthy body, healthy mind, healthy portfolio. AZ Marine, a Get Paid Friday. Let's go, baby. Absolutely. Okay, so let's see what is happening in the world of crypto this evening. Bam, Janction, guys. Janction, do you have any concerns about the development situation? Let us know what you think in the comments or DM on this post, on this account. The CTO of Janction may reply with a video. So they're asking for questions, guys. Hara is asking for questions to do some answering. So a little bit of an AMA on the horizon here for Janction. So if you have any questions, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to reach out to him and tell him, come on my channel, bro. Right? See if I can get Hara on the channel. I doubt I can, but it's worth asking, right? If I don't ask, the answer's no for sure. You know what I'm saying? Dumb Money, looks like a bunch of blood in the streets. Yeah, I'll buy it 100%, man. When the pecs are popping, exactly. Exactly. All right, what else is going on out there? Don't know until you ask. Exactly, 100%. Watcher Guru says $110 million liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in the last 60 minutes. So a lot of longs got liquidated there, guys, which is why we saw a bit of a pullback. So yeah, that explains a little bit. Caspa, the Caspa World Tour 2024 continues. Join the Caspa crew in Singapore as a silver sponsor of Token 2049, September 18th and 19th. You love to see it, guys. You love to see your favorite projects showing up and putting in the work, right? That's what you want to see. Paul Barron's Network says, huge news coming for AVAX. Be on the lookout for coverage on Wednesday. This is going to be epic. Big announcement coming out of AVAX, guys. Stay tuned for that. Let's see what Michael Saylor has to say today, guys.
Give me an example of something you can own $100 million of where you can take personal custody of it and where you can actually move it anywhere on Earth, and where even if I hold a gun to your head, I can't take it from you. And the only thing we've ever figured out that you can do that with is Bitcoin. And so Bitcoin is like, it keeps everybody honest. The optionality to do this means that all you got to do is find one bank in Singapore that'll treat you better than the bank in New York or London or Tokyo. And then you can move it in a half an hour for $5. And what happens next? The bank in New York thinks, well, I guess we can't screw these guys over because they'll just move it to Singapore.
That's why the banks don't like crypto. They can't screw you over anymore because you can take your ball and go home. They don't like that. That's what this whole SEC attacking crypto, Democrats attacking crypto, banks attacking crypto, that's what it's all about, guys. At the end of the day, your free ability to choose, which prevents them from screwing you over. And they want to keep screwing you over. So they want to take your choice away from you so that they can keep screwing you over, right?
And the guys in California say, well, I can't just tax all the Bitcoin in California. It'll move to Wyoming. It'll move to Singapore. It'll move to Malta. And at the end of the day, you can tell everybody to go fuck themselves. You can put it in your head, memorize the freaking key, right? And it's here. And then, you know, the classic Bitcoiner response is, oh, yeah, my Bitcoin, I lost it in a boating accident. You ever heard that phrase? It's kind of a trope, but what it means is at the end of the day, if you push me too far, I lost it. It's gone. Sorry.
You're right.
Tax that.
Tax that. Exactly. I'm gonna check out Malaysia when I become crypto rich. 100%, man. What do you know about Sony's Astar? Astar is actually a project in Polkadot's ecosystem, my friend. I can bring it up for if you want. Jesse and I have talked about it a few times on the channel. It's a crypto company that out in Japan that is partnering for that aspect of what Sony wants them to do, right? If you have a look here, so it's not actually, this is not actually a project from Sony, right? This is a project in again in the Polkadot ecosystem, right? If you see here, see Polkadot ecosystem layer 1. So that's what they do. That's what they are. They're not actually created or run by Sony. You like Dot or Atom more? I like Atom more, to be honest. I like Dot, but I think Atom's going to be bigger moving forward, to be honest with you. So yeah, but I do like Astar. I like the entire Polkadot ecosystem, to be honest with you, for the most part. I like Glimmer, Moonbeam, Moon River. I think it's a great ecosystem all in all. So what else do we got? NG, Jasmy, 100%, man. 100%. Check this out. Another senator, guys. U.S. Senate candidate Curtis Bashaw is now accepting crypto donations. Perfect. Love to see it. All right. What else? We got some news here. Selloff Alert. Ethereum whales begin dumping. Price could dip to $2,300. The post-sell-off alert, Ethereum whales begin dumping. Price could dip. Okay, so anyway, in the last few days, the overall cryptocurrency market has been experiencing notable selling pressure, potentially due to the profit booking or the recent Bitcoin move by Mt. Gox. Amid this selling pressure, Ethereum whales have started dumping significant ETH, as reported by Look On Chain. On August 27th, 2024, today, The on-chain analytics firm Locked On Chain made several posts on X, previously Twitter, stating that two Ether whales have sold 8,208 ETH worth $21.59 million near the $2,630 level. The reason behind the sell-off was to repay debt on Aave and avoid liquidation. Meanwhile, another whale deposited a notable 19,000 Ethereum worth $49.17 million into the Coinbase cryptocurrency exchange to sell it, according to Look On Chain's recent post. Additionally, the same whale has deposited 5,145 Ethereum worth $13.3 million into Binance to sell it. Despite a recent dump on August 26th, yesterday, whales and institutions like Amber Group and Cumberland dumped over $60 million worth of ETH. This data shows that in less than 48 hours, all whales and institutions combined have sold off over $143 million worth of Ethereum, which is enough to create selling pressure in the market. Those notable sell-offs by whales and institutions have created a massive sell-off in Ethereum, resulting in a breakdown of a bearish rising wedge price action pattern. According to experts, technical analysts, Ether looks bearish and is currently in a downtrend as it is trading below the 200 exponential moving average on the daily time frame. Additionally, it is near the crucial support level at 2540 level. If Ethereum fails to hold this level, there's a high possibility it may fall to the next level of 2300. Press time, Ethereum is trading at 2,580 and has experienced a price dip of over 4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, its trading volume has increased by 7.5% during the same period, indicating higher participation from traders amid price sell-off. So people are probably buying the dip on Ethereum. Jasmy, 100%. NG, Rob, do you think Jasmy will hit 30 cents this year? I think it's definitely still possible, yes. Hey, Rob, XLM or Crow, if you had to choose one for better returns or investment, I like both, but I feel like Crow would do better. I'd probably, you know what, as much as I like XLM, I am very nicely stocked up on XRP, so I'd probably go with Crow, to be honest with you. That's just my personal, that's where I would lean. Badlander, what's up, man? Good to see you, good to see you. Dumb Money, I saw a video talking today about Sony created it and had something to do with it, their PlayStation games over their Web3. No, Sony did not create a star. They're partnered with a star in one aspect of their business. But Sony did not create a star. A star's been around since their all-time high was 2 years ago in 2022. It's not a star is not a new project, right? If you have a look right here. A star network helps developers build decentralized applications and layer 2 solutions by providing interoperability, Web 3.0 infrastructure, financial incentives, incubation programs, and technical support. It seeks to provide the best solution for all developers by supporting EVMs and making a parachain where EVMs and WASM smart contracts can coexist. A star connects the Polkadot ecosystem with layer 1 blockchain like Ethereum and Cosmos. So there you go. Nothing to do with Sony at this point in time in terms of creating a star. Sony did not create a star. A star is a layer 1 project in the Polkadot ecosystem. It's been around for years. They're just partnered with Sony on a project. That's it, right? And whoever did a video telling you that Sony created a star didn't do any research, because probably what they did was they saw a little bit about how Sony is creating a blockchain, and how they're a layer 2, I believe it is, and how they're partnering with a star to create it. And they probably just merged those things together because they have no idea what a star is. So they just figured Sony created a blockchain and called it a star. probably something like that. Very few people actually do research in crypto, so you have to be careful who you listen to, right? If Jasmine hits 30 cents by Christmas, I'm going to sell something. Nice. Funky, what's up, man? On another channel, they're speculating the market will take a turn after NVIDIA releases earnings tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow could be big. I agree. Tomorrow could be big. Big things are expected for NVIDIA's announcement tomorrow of their earnings. But what if they're much lower than expected? That could be bad for markets, right? And here we are, guys. VUSD, Onyx Coin's stablecoin, 1 million in liquidity for VUSD. USDC has now been added to Uniswap with the 0.01% fee. So, guys, VUSD is the brand new stablecoin in the Onyx Coin ecosystem. I am currently doing a breakdown of the VUSD white paper. The first part of that breakdown comes out tonight, so make sure you watch it if you love your Onyx Coin and XCN. What else do we got? Oh, yes, Hara, part 2 of his AMA, another question by Coin Rabbit. Check it out.
What problem does JASMY solve, and why it's important for your users?
Yeah, it's really good questions. So our platform allows data that is owned exclusively by the company to be returned and belonging to non-individuals. So, so data is very valuable, and who is the owner of data, right? So to realize the value of the data, we simply ask users to buy it. So we need to handle data that is easy to use and different from other data for companies that earn revenue from the data in question. So for example, this could be developed in a way that allows for licensed data input when creating large language models with generative AI. So in order to differentiate their products, the company can purchase and use light clear data, and user will receive the data, the value of the data based on their use of the data. So we would like to create such a new economy. Yeah, thank you.
I love it, guys. I love that Hart is doing this. I love that Coin Rabbit is releasing these daily question by question. Very interesting little thing. Now, guys, listen, this is why I say we could have a red September, which is a great opportunity, guys. Make no mistake about it, right? If you see all the other Septembers in the crypto space, right? Look at this. So barely all the ones that are green, all the years that we were green, right? 2023 was only up 3.91%. In 2016, it was up 6.04. In 2015, it was up 2.35. The rest of the Septembers in every cycle have been all in the red. So that tells us what? That we'll probably have an either red September, but not by much. I mean, not by much, really. Look, only red by 3.12%, 7%, 7%, 13, 5, 7, right? Not down massively, more just kind of sideways action in September in a slightly red way, right? So you may have another 4 to 6 weeks to accumulate, right? Which is absolutely amazing for me anyway. Yamaha, what's up, man? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, what else do we got? Danny's in the house. What's up, buddy? Got another video here by Rect Capital. Check this out, guys. Real brief explanation. 1 minute summary on BTC. Check it out.
Here's the ultimate cheat sheet you need for Bitcoin's price action over the coming months. So this is generally what we tend to see in market cycles. So this so-called boring zone is essentially the post-halving reaccumulation.
So that's where we are right now, okay?
area. We tend to see that after the halving in every single cycle where we just move sideways. In 2016, it was 150 days. And so if 150 or 160 were to translate to this boring zone, then the breakout should take us into late September or early October of this year. This
October, just like I've been saying.
So to speak, boring zone is supposed to gear us up and prepare us for the banana zone, which is essentially the parabolic phase of the market cycle. This enables parabolic price action to new all-time highs and beyond. Just notice how this is the reaccumulation phase, right? This is the reaccumulation phase that we tend to see sideways price action after the halving. This boring zone is going to shake out a lot of investors. Here's the ultimate.
Are you ready? Are you ready? You have until the end of September to stock up, guys. He figures parabolicness should start around October, right? And then you're going to have about 8 months of boop, 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 boop. And then you cash out. What about Wes's conservative price of 3 cents on XCN? How do you feel about that? I mean, listen, Wes said that because he doesn't want to raise expectations, right? And I don't blame him. That doesn't mean he thinks it's going to 3 cents. He said in a worst case scenario, it would probably go to 3 cents at the worst, right? Not that's where he expects it to go. Should I stock up on ETH, Algo, or Pepe? You probably get the best ROI on Algorand, to be honest with you. Beebs, what's up, fam? What's up, Scam fam? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Let's check in on the good old Dixie. Dixie Doodle, what's she doing? She's bleeding. It's that time of the month. It's that time of the month for the Dixie. You'll love to see that. Now, guys, listen, I think, and I said this over on the Patreon last week, I prepared everybody for this a week ago. Caspa is getting ready to explode, guys. And the reason I say that is because we have a race going on right now between Binance and Kraken to see who is going to list Caspa first on their spot market, right? Kraken just announced earlier in the month that they were going to be listing Caspa. We covered it in a video, right? That they have every intention of doing that. And then Binance just did an AMA the other day, which we also covered on the channel, and they said the same thing. So this is a race, guys. We have 2 tier 1 exchanges that are getting ready to list Caspa on the spot market. Probably, I'm going to say before the end of September, I think you see it. They both want first movers advantage at this point, guys. And then what do you think is going to happen, baby? Of course, Coinbase, of course, Crypto.com is going to follow suit, right? Absolutely amazing, guys. My opinion, Caspa is going to launch when it gets those listings. Gain, the market manipulators won't let it go up. There's no reason to go down today. Just utter nonsense. October. Algo has the lowest cap. Yeah, I'm a big Algorand fan, man. I didn't mean to rhyme there, but it did. I think that, listen, guys, here's another thing you have to consider, okay? And I'm going to be doing a deep dive into this over on the Patreon. So I'm going to give you a little looky-loo into what I'm going to be doing on the Patreon here, okay? I got a video coming out over there, and we're going to be talking about why it's important to look into the ecosystem of a project and maybe cherry pick inside of the ecosystem as opposed to just the main product, right? i.e. like Ethereum or Algorand or Polkadot or whatever, right? Learning to look inside of an ecosystem and see the potential of what's in there as well, right? So, and we're going to be doing that over on the Patreon. So definitely get over there, guys. You are missing out. Gain, when stocks go up and the DXY is coming down, it means risk on. So why BTC crushed? Pure manipulation. Beebs, Rob, you think we see 1 or 2 tier listings before the end of this year? Beebs, I think it just answered your question, brother. I think we see Caspa and Binance both listed before the end of September, my friend. That's what I think's going down. So yeah, all right, guys. So listen, that's the news, my friends. We'll go back over to the JASMY chart. Sorry about that. Okay, what do we got? 250 million went to BTC yesterday, but spot prices go down. There's something suspicious here. Yeah, accumulation, man. Accumulation. And for me, that means I'm going to continue to stock up, man. As long as they want to hold the market down, I am going to continue to accumulate. And the reason for that positive mindset, guys, is because, listen, we don't have a whole lot of time left, okay? So the more money I can pour into my assets that I think are going to do fantastic, the more I'm going to be pulling out. I'm not going to be sitting here going, I have enough. I have enough, right? And now I'm just waiting. No. I need more. I need more, right? Because you only get a few months of parabolicness, guys, and then it's another 3.5 years of boring action. That's why you have to be positive, and you have to have the mindset of accumulate before things go crazy, because that's your window. You have a little windows closed, right? Did you get your gains? No. Oh, I didn't have enough in the market. Sucks to be you, bro. See you in 3.5 years, right? Not cool, man, right? So I'm going to appreciate the opportunity that I have. I'm going to continue to accumulate every single thing that I can, and I'm going to pull the most out of this. I'm going to squeeze this bull run, guys. I am going to squeeze it for every single drop that I can, with nothing but positivity oozing from my pores. Okay? I'll tell you that right now. It's scary. This bull market is broken. It's a new cycle. No, I disagree. I disagree strongly with that. Every year, every single cycle, people say stuff like that. Every cycle, this time's different, manipulation, things are broken, all this stuff. No, they're not. You'll see what I mean. You'll see at the end. I agree with you in manipulation. Yes, of course. But even I've said it 100 times, even the whole world literally shutting down, not figuratively, literally the whole world shutting down for 2 years because of C19 did not stop the 4-year cycle from playing out. Not a single person on the planet could even go to work. The world came to a standstill, and the 4-year cycle marched on. Can they hold things down a little bit longer? Of course they can. But at the end of the day, things still go up, right? Cycle is still intact. It has been for 3 cycles now. This is the 4th, and it's been playing out exactly the same way. The only thing that's different is the manipulated price action of BTC. And to be honest with you, at the end of the day, we shouldn't even be where we are. Bitcoin should not even be at, what is Bitcoin's price? 59K right now? If you look at the market, the last market cycles, and you compare it to this one, Bitcoin's price right now, without the spot Bitcoin ETFs, should be somewhere around $40,000 to $43,000. We're ahead of where we should be, and people are upset and complaining. We're spoiled this cycle. That's the problem, right? The price of Bitcoin was artificially inflated because of the ETFs, and now people expect too much, right? So, and yeah, you're absolutely right. Plus, meme coins as well have definitely taken a lot of the liquidity. You're absolutely right. But if you recall in the last cycle, in 2020, 2021, same thing. Meme coins had their day as well then, right? So eventually, all of that money from memes will pour into utility plays. Hey, Rob, on the backside of the height of this run, do you think the corporations will buy the majority of utilities and go back up into a cycle? Yes. Yes. Yeah, I could see that. I'd buy that for $1. All right, guys. So listen, I got to get going. I got to get a workout in still. Oh, what do we got here? Green tea. Green tea. Hey, Rob, it's Allison. How are you? It's nice. It was nice to meet with you on Monday. Yes, I had a fantastic conversation with you. So happy to make it to your live stream tonight. This is such a great buying opportunity. I just completed my 200K Jazz. Nice. Congratulations. I remember you said that you were hoping to get there and you got there. I'm happy for you. I am so happy for you. When's the parabolic phase, you think? I think, honestly, I think it will start in Q4 of this year, but just start, right? I honestly, listen, I think that I've said this before. I think that the peak of the bull run, my date for the top is, give or take 3 weeks or so, but is September 12th of next year would be the top, in my opinion. Now, my basis for that is if you average out the amount of days over the last 3 cycles from the Bitcoin halving to the top of the cycle, it's an average of about 510 days. So about 510 days from the Bitcoin halving is September 12th, 2025. So somewhere around that time frame, give or take 3 or 4 weeks, you should be close to the top. So for me, I will likely be out of the market by July if the top is around September, right? Because I front run the market. I get the hell out ahead of time, right? I get my money. I let everybody else fight over the scraps. I let everyone else play musical chairs because I'm not going to be standing there with a chair when the music stops, right? What do we think about ArcBlock? Solid project. I like ArcBlock. Or shall I get more? I like Render more than I like ArcBlock, to be honest with you. Over the road. What's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. All right, guys. I gotta call it there. I gotta get to the gym. I gotta get the arm workouts in. Nvidia's earnings tomorrow. Yes, could be big, could be bad though too. If earnings are lower than expected, could be bad for the markets. If they're on par or better, AI is probably going to run. We'll see what else does, right? A lot of people were actually talking to me today about, hey man, should we buy a bunch of AI tokens tonight and then sell them on a pump tomorrow? Might be an opportunity for a swing trade. I'm not telling you what to do. It's not financial advice, but I mean, work smarter, not harder, right? But just understand the flip side of that coin. If the earnings come out worse, could be a dump. Roll the dice, guys. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go for a workout. It's chest day. You know what it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the live stream. Thank you guys for being here as always. Like and subscribe. And guys, for the love of God, you are missing out if you're not over on the Patreon. I'm telling you right now. We're doing one-on-one video call coaching sessions, guys. We're doing swing trade opportunities, crypto giveaways, the 24-hour live chats going, my portfolios over there. We're doing so much over there, guys. It's amazing. The community's awesome. Get over to the Patreon. The link's down below. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow.